What's the meaning of Chelsea Physic Garden? Chelsea Physic Garden. Chelsea Physic Garden.
Chelsea Physic Garden. Chelsea Physic Garden. Chelsea Physic Garden is a botanical garden located in the London borough of Chelsea. It was founded in 1673 by the Worshipful Society of Apothecaries to study medicinal plants and was one of the earliest botanical gardens in Europe. Today, it contains over 5,000 different plants, including rare and endangered species. The garden also offers educational programs and events and functions as a research center. Overall, Chelsea Physic Garden serves as an important resource for botanists, researchers, and the general public alike.